Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to cancel your Uber One membership. First, you need to go and open Uber Eats on your phone. And now once you open Uber Eats, you need to head to account on the right side. Then you should scroll down till you find here this option, Uber One. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll need to scroll down again till you find here Manage Membership. Once you click on Manage Membership, you scroll down, then here you will find these three options, renewal, pause, and end. Simply head the end membership. And now you have these options. You just have to choose any one of them. So I have chosen something else, then click on continue. Of course, they will try to make you pause instead of canceling. Simply just hit no thanks. They are just trying to keep you as a customer for them in order to pay more, but simply click on end Uber One and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.